Hello people, this is architect Kaushik here. Presently I'm in my office. I have a space which is very narrow and dead in my office. So I just wanted to do something creative there so that people can see and feel that space very lively. And aesthetically also I just wanted to turn that space into a beautiful thing. So here's the space which is about 3 feet wide and the length is about 7 feet. So yeah, now I just decided to transform this space into a beautiful indoor garden. According to my plan, to change this space into a beautiful indoor garden, firstly we have three aspects here: the flooring, the wall and the ceiling. To say we can have a beautiful green grass over here and a statue, like we can have a Buddha statue with a small pedestal on the bottom, and we can have some hanging planters at the top. As I told you people, Greens and More is our sister company, so I am going to use those products like plants, garden accessories to give a complete look to this. Can you get that plant here? Unka Buddha. As discussed, we have gathered the material from our sister company Greens and More. So this is a Buddha statue and this is the artificial grass, and these are some plants to decorate this place. To give lighting to the Buddha, we have added a spotlight. थोड़ा खींचा, राइट, इधर सेट करो. हाँ थोड़ा, हाँ इस तरफ फोल्ड कर दो ओमकार, वो साइड में जो है ना नीचे करो, इस तरफ, हाँ राइट, हाँ बस, हाँ बस. बस पैर से दबा दो कोने पे. वो पीछे नीचे कर दो वो, हाँ राइट. As I planned, you can see we have laid a green artificial grass over here, so which turns that old or a dull flooring into a beautiful green rich space. After we have completed this laying a green artificial grass, we have placed a small pedestal. Over that I am placing a Buddha, and to add greenery to that Buddha and to the wall, we have added a Bird's Paradise plant there. So people, you can see I have added a beautiful Buddha which is in a sitting posture, which adds a beauty to this space. I'm going to add these wheel or chakra behind the Buddha head. So you can see the difference when we added the chakra behind the Buddha. So it is looking very pleasant and very beautiful as it is. So I have planned some few hanging plants over here. So we'll incorporate those plants here now. after adding these hanging plants, you can see how the total entire look is changed, and this is giving a very natural and a pleasant environment. So people, we have handpicked some plants from Greens and More. You can see here, this is Ficus bonsai, this is pothos, or you can call it as money plant as well. This is chlorophytum, or you can call it as spider plant. We are going to place these to the setup over here to give an ultimate or a complete picture or a complete beauty to this. Before it was empty and such a boring corner in my office. But now you can see how beautifully I have transformed this space. Now I would love to hang out in this space. You can see how beautifully it has been transformed, and to add more beauty, I am adding some pebbles, white color pebbles here. Now I am adding these pebbles to add more beauty to the space. After adding these pebbles, it is looking so beautiful. So people, here is the final output. You can see how beautifully it has been transformed. So people, you can see clearly what we do, and this is our work. Coming to the point, if you have any such open and empty spaces in your commercial, corporate or residential, say for example, when we take residential apartments or villas, if you have any balconies, corridors or terraces, you may feel empty or bored with them. So Aira Interiors with Greens and More will plan and execute those into such beautiful spaces.